second vlog for today. Gandahan natin yung background. For our second vlog, because it's going to be long, that's why I have my second vlog. We are going to have our early Christmas shopping. This is my favorite part of December, always shopping.
But
Thingy.
for me, it's not my favorite.
Why?
The Christmas shopping.
Why?
Because
It's
it's
you.
too expensive.
It doesn't matter why.
For me, it's too expensive.
So, the first stop will be Carhartt. Nandito na talaga kami sa tapat ng Carhartt. So, let's go. So, what I like to their place is their moods. They have a very good quality of beanie moods. So, this one is nice. So, I'm going to try to see if I could hear. They have these colors. Tell me what is the very nice. I think I like this one of Tesa. This one, we have this already. So we have green already. So I think I'm going to try other color. Come here. That one is thicker, Bob. Those are thicker for sure. Then we have at our house. Then what we have? The green one. Those are the green ones. Here. These are the colors.
Ah, yan yung kailangan.
Yeah, I would like that one. Yeah, same. Because we have black in Arket. Or maybe in Arket. It's nicer.
Kasi may Carhartt
Okay.
naman ito. Try mo yung Carhartt.
We're gonna try in Arket. So, dito talaga kami sa mismo. Uy, meron. Alam mo, eto, nakita natin to sa Italy.
Oh, yeah.
Kikis, like,
Look at the what?
anchor.
The anchor.
This one. Dito kami sa street na to, guys. Very busy street. Yeah, like in Pisa. Right? Here. Like this store. We saw it in Pisa. Not store, but a restaurant like in Pisa, Italy, no? What we ate there before. Look. The Bocatas.
Look at
That store.
the meat.
Look at that. See.
Bukatas. Yeah, the yeah, no.
Yeah, you remember?
Yeah, in the pizza.
Yeah. So guys, hindi ko alam kung saan kami magla-lunch niyo ba, but it's a dessert. I know. Ang gusto ko lang dito sa suot ko, mainit siya talaga. Pero pagdating sa leeg, kailangan iganto ko.
Kasi ang weather po natin ngayon, guys, ay feels like 4.
Feels like 4.
So, medyo
So, nagme-maintain siya, no? In a week. Ng
Malamig.
feels like 4.
9 siya, pero feels like 4.
Kagabi, guys, interclass, yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Alam nyo ba, may kukwento ko sa inyo. May nag-send sa amin ng message ni Sint. Kasi kapag Dutch ka dito, December 5, meron, yung sa Santa Claus na sinasabi ko sa inyo, meron silang letter na wini-wish ni Sint for you. Pero, ang gumagawa talaga nun, either your parents, your friend, and your family. And then, sobrang touch kami ni Bob dun sa, dito tayo.
The boat?
Oh, there's a boat. Bob wants to show you the boat. Sorry. There.
Paano lumiko ang boat?
Yeah, lumiliko yung boat. Kay Kiss. Isn't it lovely? O, diba? Lumiliko ang boat dito. Parang sasakyan, guys. So, look at that. Doon kami nakatira. Doon. Sa street na yon. Dito na kami pupunta. Because this is single na. So, we can go there. Instead. Dun sa Craftmans, di ba? Almost Craftmans na siya. Warum?
The boat.
Oh, the boat is coming here. Hintayin natin, guys. Ayan oh. Wow, ang cute. Nice. Ayun yung boat na lumili ko, guys. See? Oh, cute. Amazing. Is that amazing, guys? Ayun nga, yung kinukwento ko sa inyo, dito tayo tumatakbo, di ba?
Oo, ito nga. Ito.
So, may nag-send sa amin ng letter. Grabe, sobrang appreciate niya kami ni Bob. Di ba, Bob? It was a Sint letter, which is Sinterklaas, which is the Santa Claus of the Dutch. Not in the 25th kasi nga, hindi sila ganun kareliyoso dito. So, meron silang sarili na
Ako na muna.
Santa
Para
Claus.
Hindi ka
So, grabe, yung sabi niya sa amin, sobrang appreciate niya kami ni Bob. Sobrang natutuwa sila kasi dumating kami sa buhay nila. Di ba? No? Grabe, super. Para kaming, kasi nga para nila kaming anak. Tapos meron silang gift sa amin. So, yun yung, actually lahat ng bata dito, yun yung hinihintay, yung December 5.
December 5.
Although, nakakabili naman talaga sila ng mga gusto nila as bata. Ang ganda talaga ng background, Bob.
Yeah.
So,
Pero, kasi sa Dutch, December 5 ang yung hinihintay.
hinihintay ng mga
Mga
bata.
In the Philippines, ang iniintay
25.
is December 25.
Oo.
Yes.
Kaya yun yung masasabi ko. Meron talaga sila. Papakita ko sa inyo kung sino si Sint. Ilalagay ko dito sa sa gilid ng video na to kung ano yung Sint. Si Sint,
ba is si Sin,
Santa Claus.
si Sin
Alam mo,
Nicolas?
parang umikat lang tayo, babe.
Siya ba yung Sin Nicolas?
Pero dito tayo dumaan kasi single tayo. Doon tayo sa may...
Sa gabi, ang ganda rito.
Oo, I know.
Sa gabi. Napakaganda.
Yeah. Dito tayo pa ganun kasi papunta tayo sa
Yeah.
Uniqlo Tok. So, ayan, tingnan mo naman. Ang ganda ng background namin ni Bob. What can we ask for? Nothing, Tok.
Wala.
Guys, look at this view. Yung mga yan, houseboat to Yan. Yan. Diba? Sa summer maganda to. Kung napapanood nyo yung mga running namin ni Bob, dito sa street na rin to, dun sa kabila kami tumatakbo. And then ito yung view namin kapag tumatakbo. Or nag-running. City run, kung tawagin. So, guys, di ba naririnig nyo yung red light dito sa Amsterdam? Isa to sa part nila. Makikita nyo ba yung mga red na light? Red light yon. Ayan guys, red light siya. Ayan guys, oh. Nakikita nyo yan to. Tsaka to, tsaka yun. Part to ng red light district. So, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-video dyan. Mapapagalitan tayo. Ralphie! Kung nanonood ka, ito yung hotel na pinagstayan niya ni Eloisa. Ayan ang tram. Hi, tram! So, ayan na siya. Doon ang Palace, Magna Plaza. Nandito kami, liliko ni Bob para kumain ng lunch. Sa pinaka-favorite ni Ralph na Hema. So, let's cross the street habang safe pa siya. Yun. So, yun. Sa Hima na lang tayo kumain ng lunch.
Oh, para makabili ko ng gold.
Oh yeah, true.
Gold
The gold candles. Pogi ni Bob, no? So guys, Saturday ngayon. That's why the
Super busy.
shopping street are busy. New Yorker,
Oh,
America Today, Bob's favorite one of one of one of one of what will ya
What?
there.
Nothing. Next.
So guys, ito yung sa Hima. Yan yung mga bread nila. Kailangan kong kumuha ng tray, but they don't have tray anymore. So, they have this bread. Curtis soup, miskin. So guys, sa akin ay Urte soup, which is very Dutch soup. And Bob has the grilled wurst, you see. This is brown bread. Babe, that is brown bread.
Yeah. Thank you.
8 smakalek.
Makalat. Tara, guys. Kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Samahan nyo kami.
This is the mic.
Yeah. Oh, no worries. It's alright.
I'll put it here.
Okay na.
So you know. Yeah?
Yep.
Let's eat, guys. This is our lunch. Ito yung favorite namin ni Bob na earthen soup. Earthen soup. Actually, green peas soup. No?
Yeah. Shout out to Rob. Hey ma, Rob.
If you're watching... Messy? Clear.
O na.
Messi na nasa Miami. Here. Guys, alam nyo ba dati, hindi naman dito ganun ka-busy. Pero kasi magki-Christmas. Sana yung magki-Christmas. So, medyo busy na. Ayusin natin. So, this is sale like €2. But I don't know about I'm going to like it. I'm thinking. This is nice too. Kasi mo to, pwede din tong pang-regalo. That's why I like here in Hema. They have nice things for gifts. Look at this. Ganda. Diba? Ito mga fake na the batteries na candles. This is so cute. And this is candles. Uso dito guys ang candles kasi malamig na bansa to. So, what is this? A cushion. It's pillows, they said. Everything is 2 plus 1. Look. This is cute. So guys, kailangan namin ng ano yan? Jacket. We need a winter jacket. So, ito yung napupusuan niya. Napupusuan. Ang lalim ng Tagalog. I think he would like this color. Then this one, like a light gray jacket or gray. No idea, but yeah. Here, yeah,
Lemon brown.
geen brown. Guys, look at this small hook. What is hook? Corner?
Yep.
Yeah. Look. Ito yung shopping center at ito yung Christmas decoration ngayon dito. This is a price. 10 years ko na siya nakikita, guys. To be honest. Ito Foot Locker, pinaka-favorite ng mga taga Pinas. But it's not my favorite. But we can also go there for our shoes. I think may UGGs from Foot Locker. Yeah, may UGG. Uggs. Sabi nga nila dito, Uggs to, babe. How to pronounce in Dutch? The UGG is Uggs. My Uggs. Favorite ni Bob, how to know them? Like a Victoria's Secret here. So, hindi siya nakakuha ng jacket sa Uniqlo kasi parang ganun din yung binili niya last year at wala na silang ibang option. Only color, no? Uy, H&M home. Hey. So, ayun na nga. Guys, may Gymshark na dito sa Dam Square. First time ko ditong magta-try na mag-check. Let's check. Oh, may XXS sila. Look. Ito yung mga leggings nila, guys. Let's check. Magkano siya dito? Oh, not bad. Guys, nandito na tayo sa may bandang flower market. Kasi dito kami, dito titignan namin yas. Maybe meron sa Arket. A-R-K-E-T. Arket. So, let's try. Yung bang makita yung behind the camera? Ito, guys. Diba? Dito lang tayo pumupunta talaga. Yung mga nakikita nyo, gilid-gilid lang din nito. So, we need to take a picture there, but not now. Because we don't have the camera with you. Yes. Look at that. You can take a pictures there. I have a picture there like 8 years ago. But I don't like. Let's go to Arket. This is Haring.
Wow.
Echbar.
Yeah.
I think you are not eating that one. I'm really full, Bob. So, ito yan, guys. Ito yung kabilang side ng street namin, like 1 kilometer away from home. Diba? Diba, babe? Here. Tapos late sa plane na yung dulo. Which is sobrang busy ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung natatandaan nyo pa, nag-vlog na rin ako dito. Tapos ito yung Dyson na shop, Dyson shop. Here. Ito yung mga bago nila. Ito yung Arket, guys. And gusto din namin dito ni Bob kasi magaganda din dito yung mga winter clothes. Ito yung nahanap namin. The same dun sa meron kami. Cashmere wool. Beanie. Pero talaga beanie na yung tawag dito. Beanie. This one is better. For sure. Like it. Ito yun, no?
Yeah.
Because that one is the same. The black one. Is it nice?
Yeah.
In the speaker. Guys, nawawala si Bob. Hindi ko alam kung saan siya hanapin. Baka umakyat. Hindi ko talaga siya makita. Sorry, JI. Hindi ko siya makita. Baka umakyat. Maybe nandito na siya. Hindi ko alam. Meron sa mga bata. Meron din siyang ganito, guys. Look. Cute. May fish. Yan, meron din siya. Ang ganda, ito sa sala. Pwede siya. Nice. Cushions na, not cushion, ito cushion. Ito blanket. So cute. Ito lagi silang meron nito, guys. So I'm gonna call him. I'm gonna call Bob. Guys, ang gaganda talaga yung mga gamit nila dito. I love it. Like this kind of thing. Ganda. So guys, ito pala yung dapat na bibilin ko. Hindi pala yung isa. So, niisip ko kung ito, maybe gray. I'll go for gray. Because I think this one. Not that one. I'll go for gray because I have white, I have black. I don't have yet a gray. So, this one. So, guys, basang-basa ako ng pawis doon. Napakainat nung store. Tapos napakakapal ng yasko ng jacket ko. So, pupunta tayo dun sa other store kasi wala kaming nakitang jacket doon. Nakabili lang kami ng boots tsaka ng top ni Bob. Which is maganda talaga dun sa store na yun. As in, gustong-gusto namin ni Bob. May price siya pero okay na din kasi ilang taon din namin gagamitin. Ito yung flower market, guys. Likod. At the back of flower market. Here. So, we're gonna check this Patagonia. Here. Ganda, no? Kung sabi ko nga sa inyo, maghapon kaming maglalakad, di ba? Na naman. So, yan. Kaya ganyan yung likod kasi flower market yan. Torture Museum. Diyan ka ito torture. Yan, guys. Torture Museum. Yan to siya. Sa labas. At hindi tayo papasok. Here. It looks like scary. So, kapag dito ka sa city, dito ka pwede mag-parking. Q Park. Here. This one. Then, dun kami nanonood ng cinema or ng movie.
May gate na pala rito.
Oh, yeah. True. What is that? Oh, from the other side. Look, guys. Yan yung flower market. Kita ko sa inyo nang naka-zoom. Yan yun. Yung Patagonia ba, guys? Patagonia. Here. So, wala si Bob nakuha doon. Let's try here in the North Face. But Bob doesn't like this thing. So, let's go.
We have no choice.
So, hi guys! We are home, obviously. So, it's 6 o'clock. We are here around 4:30 in the afternoon. So, 4 hours, 30 minutes kaming nasa labas. It's really cold outside. And for today, for tonight,